Welcome to the maze of truth. Are you dreaming of owning a home, or do you feel that renting is the smarter option for you? This is a big decision that no one can really answer for you because there is no right answer. It is purely a personal choice based on your needs. With that said, I am here to help you navigate this decision based on the information that I will be providing to you. So in this video, you and I will be exploring the age-old debate of buying versus renting. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. Owning a home is still considered the American dream for many. It offers stability and security. Plus, it's a great investment. When you buy a home, you build equity. That means you own a piece of your home. As you pay down your mortgage, your equity grows. Home values often increase over time. This is called appreciation. It means your home could be worth more in the future. On the other hand, renting has its advantages too. It offers flexibility, and its upfront cost is easier on your wallet. You don't need a huge down payment like you do when buying. Your monthly expenses are predictable. Rent covers most expenses such as heating and water. You don't pay property taxes, nor are you responsible for major repair costs. Plus, many apartments offer amenities like pools and gyms. Buying a home is a huge financial commitment. It's not just about the price tag on the house. There are numerous other financial aspects to consider. From the initial down payment to the ongoing costs of home ownership, every step requires careful planning and budgeting. First, you'll need a down payment. This is typically a significant amount of money, often ranging from 5 to 20% of the home's purchase price. The size of your down payment can affect your mortgage terms and monthly payments. A larger down payment can reduce your mortgage amount, and if you have excellent credit, you can potentially lower your interest rate as well, saving you big money in the long run. Next, you'll also have monthly mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance. Your mortgage payment is likely to be your largest monthly expense, but don't forget about property taxes, which can vary widely depending on your location. Home insurance is another essential cost, protecting your investment from unforeseen events like natural disasters, fires, or theft. Renting typically requires an upfront security deposit and monthly rent. The security deposit is usually equivalent to the first and last month's rent and is refundable if you leave the property in good condition. Monthly rent payments can sometimes be lower than mortgage payments, but remember that rent can increase over time, and you won't build equity as you would with a home purchase. Be sure to factor in renter's insurance for your belongings. While it's not as comprehensive as homeowner's insurance, renter's insurance can protect your personal property from water or fire damage and theft. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, ensuring that your valuables are covered in case of unexpected events. Consider your financial situation carefully. Assess your income, savings, and long-term financial goals. Can you afford the upfront costs of buying? These costs can add up quickly and may include down payment, closing costs, moving expenses, home inspections, appraisal fees, and legal fees. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of all the expenses involved in purchasing a home to avoid any financial surprises down the road. Or, do the lower monthly payments of renting fit better with your budget? Renting can offer more flexibility, especially if you're not ready to commit to a long-term investment. Weigh the pros and cons of each option, considering your current financial situation and future plans. Making the right choice can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. Whether you decide to buy or rent, please remember these three words: location, location, location. When it comes to choosing a place to live, the location is one of the most critical factors to consider. It's not just about finding a house or an apartment, it's about finding a community that fits your lifestyle and meets your needs. Where you choose to live really matters. It can influence your daily routine, your social interactions, and even your overall happiness. Imagine waking up every day in a place that feels just right for you and your family. Whether it's a neighborhood with lots of parks and green spaces or a bustling urban area with plenty of activities, the right location can make all the difference. It affects your lifestyle and your finances. The cost of living can vary significantly from one area to another, impacting your budget and financial planning. For instance, living in a city center might mean higher rent or mortgage payments, but it could also save you money on transportation if you work nearby. On the other hand, suburban areas might offer more affordable housing options, but could come with higher commuting costs. So please consider your commute, access to amenities, and the overall vibe of the neighborhood. How long are you willing to spend traveling to work or school each day? Do you need to be close to public transportation, grocery stores, schools, or healthcare facilities? The convenience of having these amenities nearby can greatly enhance your quality of life. Research the housing market in your desired location. Look at current trends, property values, and future developments. Understanding the market can help you make a more informed decision and potentially save you money in the long run. It's also a good idea to visit the area at different times of the day, night, and week to get a true sense of what it's like to live there. Compare home prices and rent prices to make an informed decision. Depending on your financial situation and long-term plans, you might find that renting is more feasible than buying, or vice versa. Take into account not just the cost, but also the potential for property value appreciation, the stability of the housing market, and your own personal and financial goals. Making the right choice about where to live can set the foundation for a happy and prosperous future. One underrated and not talked about factor is matching housing to your life. Your lifestyle plays a big role in deciding whether to buy or rent. It's not just about the financial aspect, but also about how you envision your day-to-day life. Are you someone who enjoys the stability of a permanent home, or do you thrive on the excitement of new experiences and places? Understanding your lifestyle preferences can help you make a more informed decision. If you value stability and putting down roots, owning a home can provide a sense of permanence and community. It allows you to personalize your space, invest in long-term projects like landscaping or home improvements, and build lasting relationships with neighbors. If you have children, owning a home can also mean stability in their schooling and social circles as well. If you value flexibility and the freedom to move easily, renting can offer the ability to relocate without the burden of selling a property. This can be particularly appealing if your job requires frequent moves, or if you simply enjoy exploring new cities and cultures. Renting can also mean less responsibility for maintenance and repairs, giving you more time to focus on your career or hobbies. Now the choice is yours to make the call. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to the buy or rent dilemma. The best choice depends on your individual circumstances. Consider your financial situation, your desired location, and your desired lifestyle. Use online calculators, spreadsheets, and even AI to compare costs. Consult with a financial advisor to get personalized advice. However, ultimately, the decision of whether to buy or rent is yours. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Make an informed choice that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding the best fit for you. Will you buy or rent? The choice is yours. I hope this video was informative. Please be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Take care.